Guys, welcome back. We're going to discuss minor triads. As we did for the major triads, we're going to play the triad in different positions. We're going to do everything in C, but you do need to practice in all keys. So the notes that we need are C, E flat, and G. C minor triads, 2 octaves. Now, I'm going to show you in different positions: lower register, medium register, and high register. If I'm playing a triad in this position, I would shift, I would jump, and then I would change my hand. On position 1, you have this fingering. On position 2, I start with my little finger. Also on fret 8, I have this position. On the fret 11, I have this other position. And then guys, I also would recommend to try to play the triads in one string, for example, like G, C, E flat, G. Then you move down and you play C, E flat, G, C. But also with 2 strings, people call them double stops, but it doesn't really matter. I'm sure you heard some people playing kind of like. Guys, as we did for the major triads, also we recommend first do all the positions